When you're buying an investment property, you can either optimize for cash flow or appreciation, but not both. I want it all. Stick to the end of this video where I'll tell you about the lesser known way to optimize your property, which I think is pretty cool.
That's impossible!
Now you might say to me, well, Greg, I think I could get both. I think I could get both cash flow and appreciation. I want it all! Well, I would like to eat exclusively donuts and be healthy and lean, but unfortunately, that's not the universe that we exist in. It's helpful to think when you're looking at buying a property to think, what is your strategy? What are you trying to optimize for? Now let's take cash flow. Now cash flow is the belle of the ball.
The belle of the ball.
It's honestly why a lot of us got into real estate in the first place. Maybe you're thinking about buying a beach house, right? And maybe turn it into a vacation rental. And that's great because if you bring a property to market condition, the market responds by giving you something really cool. It's the elusive mailbox money, where literally they send you money in the mail every month. It's great. But one of the downsides of that is it's work. Dang it. Right? There's a misnomer out there that real estate is passive. Cash flowing real estate is not. It often is not. Either you got to pay a property manager, but you yourself are going to be doing a lot of work upkeeping that property, keeping customers and tenants happy. However, it can be a great strategy for cash flow. So let's talk about the lesser known strategy. I'll call it the panning for gold method. You know, we live in the information age, and this can seem incredibly daunting because the information that's available to us is just exponentially increasing every day. But here's the thing. When you're doing your due diligence, just because information is available doesn't mean it's known. And the more information that's available, the less actually it's known. So doing your due diligence can be a lot like panning for gold. So follow with me on this example. Let's say that you find a property, and in your due diligence, you find out, and it's not public knowledge, but it's not widely known, that the next door neighbor is going to become a popular neighbor. Let's say a Taylor Swift merch shop or an In-N-Out or a Starbucks, right? Now, here's the thing. We buy emotionally and we justify logically. I don't care how stoic you are. We all do this. Now, if that information is not widely known, then you're going to pay, follow with me, less than you would once that is publicly known and anybody can see that information.
Well, this is the biggest thing since radio, and I'm letting you in on the ground floor.
And this can be a huge way to make money. Now, the other disadvantage, there's a couple disadvantages to this. One, people change plans all the time. Just because they're planning to do it, life happens. And the other thing is it takes time. And this is not for the faint of heart. This is not for the impatient. Warren Buffett had a great quote. He said, the stock market is a mechanism for transferring wealth from the impatient to the patient. And I would say the same is true of real estate. So I hope you find this video helpful. Have a great day.